ITQ.
To rock.
To rock. To rock.
To rock and roll.
Welcome everybody to the official kickoff and start of InteleTravelQuest 2026.
ITQ feels like home because this is our family reunion. It's our family reunion and that it's our staff, it's our advisors, it's our partners, and our family of brands. All of that wrapped up into one event is absolutely the family reunion for InteleTravel.
InteleTravel provides you with a home. We provide you with the support, with the mentoring, with the safety net when you need it, all of the education you need, and all the tools for success. We are not a host agency. InteleTravel is a home agency. We are your home, and we always will be. So, InteleTravel Rockstars, welcome home.
One thing I want to remind you of, the world has ills all the time. The solution is travel. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, misunderstanding. How wonderful that we are part of the solution. And we get to send people around the world to learn about other cultures, to empathize with other people, and to heal the world.
ITQ over the last 5 years has meant more to me than I can ever express. Having those connections that we have throughout the whole year that we get to have virtually, but in person. I come home all fired up because of the knowledge I've gained from all the preferred partners.
So speaking as a supplier, my suggestion for making the most of the trade show and connecting with partners throughout the week is to be curious, ask smart questions, share who your ideal clients are, and follow up with purpose. That's what makes you memorable.
Whether you like it or not, your business, if you're an ambassador, a senior advisor, or a new advisor, you are a travel advisor, and your business can only be built brick by brick, step by step, one by one, little by little.
Here's the best thing about our industry. We are such a friendly industry. We are all here to support your success. And then you have your own training programs. You've got the training from the industry. You've got the BDM support. You've got a lot of people here setting you up for success.
You, InteleTravel, are our strongest partner.
And when it comes to partnership with InteleTravel and Virgin Voyages, it's top-notch.
As you know, Royal Caribbean is one of the leaders in the industry. We really are partners, and we said, this is your home, and we are so proud to be a part of that home.
Thank you, InteleTravel advisors, for your passion and for trusting ALG Vacations to power your business success. The truth is, our company just does not exist without successful travel advisors, period.
I attended the Making 100K workshop, and I was so inspired to take my goals to another level. I was comfortable where I was with my travel business, but now I'm excited. I plan to walk that stage next year as one of the top earners with InteleTravel.
Welcome to your 2026 ITQ Awards Gala.
I love celebrating all of our advisors because this is what it's about. It's about taking what you've done throughout the entire year and then celebrating you, recognizing you on stage, and giving you the applause and the cheer that you deserve. I want y'all to get on your feet and give it up for our top 10 advisors!
You know, I go to a lot of conferences, but none are better than ITQ. That's right. There's something different about the InteleTravel agent. It could be your energy, it could be your positivity, it could be your hustle. You guys hustle like none other. And also, you guys know how to have fun.
One of the main things that I love about InteleTravel is that even the owner, the companies, the higher ups, they mix and they mingle with us just like regular folks. They are regular folks and they have fun with us. You look up to them, but at the end of the day, they're here to help us to understand that we are here to all win together. And I think that right there really makes us feel really good.
Now, you know every tour needs a lead guitar, right? That's you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are the headliner. You set the tempo. You bring the passion. You make the amazing experience. We are gonna rock with you. We're gonna roll with you. And you're gonna reach all those goals.
Dude, I was partying like a rock star last night. I don't know what happened, but I've got some lady's earring from the pool party. It was in the pool at Rio. If I was partying with you, that's yours.
One final piece of advice for making the most out of ITQ.
Get to know your fellow agents because they could be your next partner, your next accountability partner. You can get a group of accountability partners.
The next person you meet could change your business forever.
It is really hard to wrap up any ITQ event, but particularly this year's ITQ event, James.
If you want to succeed in this business, you have to be in the room for the conversations, the learning, the networking. You have to be in the room. So 2027, ITQ is open for sale. Royal Caribbean.
Explorer of the Seas, 5 nights, jam-packed of the same education, the same valuable training. So if you were not here this year, hopefully we'll see you guys all next year. If not, you're gonna miss the boat on your business.
Miss the boat, I like that.